They are so massive, you know. Those are so. Let me show this. Hey, what's up guys? Carlos here from Inciarte 4x4. You guys remember when we have a situation that we bust the driver mirror of our truck? This one here, we break the whole mirror, came out. We have to put some zip ties on the trail. Well, now we have a partnership with RealTruck.com and they send us this new tow mirror. I'm gonna show you in this video how to install the tow mirror, how to remove the panel, how it is so easy. The wiring is the same one for the truck, just plug and play. If you are new on the channel, just make sure you follow, leave me a comment, some likes, because we always are doing some review videos of the products. We have a partnership with a lot of companies leading on the off-road industry and the overland community. That way we are going to be reviewing and posting a lot of videos every time, and all our social media we always post our trip. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Let's take a look at those. They are so massive, you know. The truck now will be looking like a real beast. Let's just go over there and take a look of how we are gonna remove those side panels and show you guys how easy it is. Okay guys, first make sure you have everything empty on the door panel. You're gonna be removing this plastic here. You're gonna have 7mm screw right there, and you're gonna have like a 3 or 4 more on the bottom. But this one here, you can just pop up with your hands. So easy. Make sure after you pop up this one, you're gonna sliding to the front of the truck. One more, come on, and then slide it, because they have this plastic here. And then you're gonna be able to find the screws. There are there's one screw here. Make sure you don't damage the door handle. And then you're gonna have, let me show you here. You're gonna have 2 more here, same one, same size, and you're gonna have 2 more here. And then we are gonna be finished taking all the screws just to pop up the plastic of the door. Okay, now, guys, now we are gonna just pop this one up. Sorry, just gonna pop up the plastic. Let me find it. It's right here. Okay, we have one more here, one more here. Yep. Okay, now we have all. Be careful with the door handle, and then we're just gonna push this one up. Yep. Come on. Okay, good. Let me show you here. We're gonna remove this one here, just very careful. Okay, and then this one is the connection for the door. Be careful here with the lock. And then we're gonna remove this connector here to remove the door panel. This is one way. Another way is just holding this one here. Gonna put something on the bottom. We're gonna be holding. That way you don't have to remove it. Just come here, open this one, and right there are the connector and the screws. Just put something to hold this one. That way you have to avoid all that process. It's so easy to do it that way, you know. I'm just trying to find fastest way to do everything, you know. Okay guys, for this part you have to use a 13mm long socket. For the screws on the door panel was 7mm. It's the only 2 sockets that you need to replace your tow mirror. I just try to do the easiest possible. That way we don't remove the complete panel of the door, disconnected everything. We don't need to do that, you know. Just don't forget to disconnect your negative from the battery to remove this connector or any connector on your truck, especially this one, the Chevy Silverado. Every time when you disconnect something, you can have some issues with your computer. It's better just disconnect the negative on your battery and you will be okay. Now we need to hold that mirror over there. That's why I'm gonna be back and forward. I'm gonna show you when I have another one in, it's easy. You don't have to, a couple screws, put it in and back, and that's it. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry that I say on the beginning that you're only gonna need a 13mm and 7mm socket. Now we need a 12mm socket as well. That will be the last one. I'll need 3 sockets. This one has to be a long one as well. The stock mirror, the original from the factory, have these screws here insert on the mirror, and the new tow mirror have these inserts right here that screws. You have to put it here, and then you're gonna be able to reach that one and tied it on the new tow mirror. I need to mention something like just make sure you put the long side to the outside of the tow mirror, like at the opposite side, like the one on the factory. They are long. They are long. I have a lot of power. I do have a lot of power tools and all kind of tool in my garage, but I just want to show you that with just simple tools you can install it. You don't need any specific tool to do this installation. Okay, let's go to the truck. Oh, but you will need somebody to hold the mirror, because you need to hold it for this side. Now you don't need nobody. Just make sure you put it in the correct position here. Make sure you put this cover properly. This one will protect the mirror. It's like a gasket, will protect all the components inside the mirror. Make sure that one is properly. And then hold the mirror, grab one of the nuts from on this side. That's it. Take another one. And that's it. You don't need nobody to help you to install this tow mirror. Now take the other two. Now we're gonna put the connector and put everything back. That's it. Easy. No power tools needed. I mean, if you have it, it's good to use it. I'm gonna use it on another tow mirror, to do everything easy and quick as possible. But you don't need it. I mean, you don't need that to install your tow mirror. Now just make sure those are tight. Make sure the connector is properly connected, and when you put everything back, make sure you don't break any clips. Okay, let me just finish to put everything back. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, guys, we finished to install everything. Let me know. Those are so. Let me just remove this. Huge mirror. Oh, why you have a tow mirror? Because we have a side-by-side and we have a jet ski. Sometimes it's easy, when we're pulling a trailer. Look the difference. Original one, the tow mirror one. I freaking love it. Remember where you can find it? RealTruck.com. Let's just go do the next one. I'm gonna show you how they look. Okay, guys, the tow mirror are all set. Like I told you, a couple tools, and that was so easy. Some of the followers will be asking why you get a big tow mirrors. We have a side-by-side and we have a jet ski. That means we have something to pull every time when we go on our adventures. It's not a big RV that we are pulling, but they will help a lot to watch all the cars behind. Sometimes you'll be watching. We also have the wolf box camera on the back of the truck, on the bed truck. I mean, that way I like to watch the trailers and everything. If you have any question about the installation, feel free to leave a comment here. If you don't follow the channel, just go and subscribe, because that will help us to be posting more videos and do more reviews. Thank you, guys.